Your life is like a train. How? Come on, let me show you about your spiritual car. When you look at this train, all the cars are on the same track. They're all doing their share of the work. They're all moving in the same direction, and they're delivering these passengers in this train to where it's supposed to be going. Sometimes when we try to get in train cars, we find that they're not going to take us where we want them to go. This is a beautiful train car. It's gorgeous to look at, but it's not moving anywhere. This is also a beautiful train car, but I can't get it and go anywhere because it's retired and it doesn't move anymore. And this is a train car, and it's not beautiful to look at, but it's fallen into such disrepair because it's not been maintained and taken care of. These are all analogies to the train cars in your life, and these are the 6 train cars that you have in your life and that I have in mine. Hi, my name is Marcia Denton, and I'm the owner of Me My Wisdom Coaching. And in this particular view of my train, it's all on one track. They all seem to be successful and equal weighted. Each one of them seems to be doing what they're supposed to be doing. And so they should get me where I want to go. But sometimes what's happened is that our train cars have not been on the same track for a bit. 2020 caused us to lose track of some parts of our lives because we were forced to look at other things and think differently about how to survive. And so today I want us to look at our spiritual car. And I want to say just a word about this car because this is the car I get the most pushback on. Marcia, I don't want to go to church. I don't believe blah. This is not about what you believe. You can worship the earth. You can believe in nature. Whatever. I'm not telling you what to believe. I'm just going to tell you the research on having a spiritual car in your life and the benefits of it. Recently, there was an article published in Forbes from the Mayo Clinic, and I'm going to show you that link in just a minute. And it said that most studies have shown that religious involvement and spirituality are associated with better health outcomes, including greater longevity, coping skills, health-related quality of life, even during terminal illness, less anxiety, depression, and suicide. Several studies have shown that addressing the spiritual needs of the patient may enhance recovery from illness. You figure out what you believe or don't believe. That's up to you. But if you're trying to steer your train down the tracks in a certain direction, and you've decided that you don't have a spiritual car, then you're making the other 5 cars do more than they should because your spiritual car plays a role in getting you down that track successfully. Lots of research will share this with you. I want you to be able to get down the track to where you want to go in 2021. And to do that, you need to make sure that you have a healthy spiritual car associated as part of your train. To do that, we've created a resource for you. It's totally free. Click on the link in the post here and download this resource, and it will guide you through taking a health inventory of each of your 6 cars. It won't tell you what to do, but it'll tell you how to do it. And you'll be able to look at each of those 6 cars and make your own decisions about what you need to do. Now, to support you on what to do, we're also going to be providing a lot of free research posted in these kinds of posts in LinkedIn and Facebook throughout January. And you can use these free posts to support that free assessment that you're conducting of each of your 6 cars. And of course, I've included my email in the link in the post just in case it's useful to you. If so, email me. If not, go do good work. Be successful. Check on the health of each of your 6 cars, and huge success to you in 2021.